Good morning. We got everything we wanted fixed on the truck and we are headed to pick up a truck camper. In between fixing up the truck and getting the truck camper, I got surgery on my nose for my deviated septum, so we'll see how that goes. It's been about 2 weeks ago. Got my husband here with me and we're headed to RV There Yet to pick up a camper. All right, we're at RV There Yet. I love that name.
I'm Rob, getting ready to help launch Shannon on her adventure across the United States and visit the different breweries that are available to all of us as we go out. So it'll be an epic trip. Need to try some of the lagers up in Maine. There's a couple good breweries in that Bar Harbor area and in Rockland.
Check this out. Woohoo! It looks perfect, like it was made for it.